Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a new day. I'm going to work on the Bronco a little bit. Did get the gravel situated. I was just checking out the yard. I got I beat you. Damn, they look good. But yeah, driveway's looking good. Got a flat the other day. The tire was shot, so I got a new tire put on. I gotta swap those out at some point today. But yeah, I'll swap those out at some point today. But yeah, let's get cranking on this thing so I can get it done. Alright, I was welding, ran out of wire, got some new one here. I don't want to do this, I hate welding. Those are just some thoughts that go in my head. I'm always singing something. And it's never anything. It's always just a little tune. It's stupid. This little thing swapped out here. Yeet. We don't need that anymore. Whoa there, Nelly. Trying to take off on me. Too tight. Alright, now where is that hole? Put that right back in there. I gotta grab some clippers. That way it doesn't unwind on me. Snippers! Snippers! Had a set. I don't remember what I did with it. I want to use these, I guess. Snippers, 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 snippers. In you go, in you go, in you go, 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 go. Oh shit. Better pay attention. I wasn't getting it in the hole. That's what she said. Alright. If I did this right, we should have fire. There it is. Hooray! I lost the tip already. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're back in business. Good enough. Good enough. Sure hope I hit record. I don't know if I did. I did. Alright. Welder's fixed. Wires put in. That's me, I'm doing welding. Alright, so out here sanding on this filler. I was just using the orbital sander, and it's doing okay, but it's still leaving some waves. I tried using this little block guy, and it's just but I was digging through my box and I found this here sander, so I'm going to use this one. Didn't have any paper for it, so I went and I got some paper. So we'll get this knocked out over here and see how it looks. I got this side started. It's pretty much smooth, but I want to go over it just one more time with the sander. So that's where we're at. So don't watch my fanny. Holy. Yeet. Alright, that's done. Now move it out this way. Doggy. That was hard work. I think I'm done for the day. Sheesh.